the brand new NaNaNa Surprise Series 3. Right here, you have this cute little cow. Right here, not a cow, a cat. Silly me, because this looks like a cute little cow, a strawberry cow. And the packaging is a cute little bunny. I have 3 of these dolls and they're already super cute. So let's open it and see which one I get. So you're supposed to pop it, your outfits, you get this cute little keychain. Inside is your adorable doll. Collect them all. Don't worry, I will. Push to open. Push here to open. We have our straw back here. And the bag is now purple. So now let's blow. Okay, so it's all blowing up. I opened this before and there's tons of glitter everywhere. And there's so much glitter. We got a little cow. It's not a strawberry cow, but it's a cute little cow. Look at its little horns and its soft little ears. It's so soft. Let's see. Here you have the flying bags and the collector. The little collector list. There's a bunny and it's a rainbow bunny bag. Okay, this one looks super cute, her dress. This one's like multicolored. So we have this one, the cute little cow. So the cow means you're getting the cow. You're getting, this looks like Cruella de Vil and her little dog jacket. If you get the bow sticker, you're getting this one. If you get the fire sticker, you're getting this one. So if you really want this one, make sure it has the bunny. So that's a little tip. So let's say I want this one. I could go to the store, look for the bone, and if I do find it, I could buy it. I'll finish my collection. She has this cute little cowboy boots. Right here they have a little sunflower. It's gold and they're super big. Okay, let's open this one. Right here we have her little clothes. So we have some shorts. I think she works at a farm, and this cute little top. So now let's open our doll. Oh, here comes out our little doll. She looks super cute. She has this awesome little hair. It's kind of like a little, it's like a red but cinnamon. I think it's cinnamon colored hair. It looks super cute and it's very curly. We have her little cow hat with them horns. Let's dress her up. So here she is all dressed up. She looks so cute, and I'm gonna be dressing up as someone. I'm not saying any names, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a surprise. Hope you enjoyed my video. Bye, minis.